What's up, Internet? My name is Matt Santana, and welcome to the office where we discuss tech and the world around it. I have today two cases from Nomad. These are the rugged cases, and I have it in the rustic brown and the natural leather color. I have the Pro Max, the iPhone 12 Pro Max here in the studio, and I wanted to give you guys a look of the Nomad cases that go with this phone. This is a beautiful phone, so I'm not sure if you're going to want to use a case, but if you do decide to use a case, maybe you are in rugged conditions or you need to protect the phone for whatever reason, I really like Nomad cases. They do a great job of making cases that conforms to the shape of the phone, and they rival Apple's quality when it comes to their leather cases. I actually prefer the Nomad cases over the leather cases from Apple in certain colorways. You know, if you're gonna get brown or black or now even natural, because Apple doesn't offer that, I think Nomad is a great option. So let's go ahead and try these cases out on the phone. Let's see if it adds too much bulk, and let's get into it. So let's start off with the natural leather, because this one is the most interesting one to me. So this is a veggie tanned leather. It does patina over time. Here's a picture of the case, what it would look like in about 100 days. Nomad now also has internal bumpers inside of the case to help with drop protection up to 10 feet. And so let's try this out. It's kind of like an off-white color. It's not a pure white, so I imagine that it will show some dirt, but not as much dirt as you may think. The leather on the back is a very, very nice texture. But let's get this installed and we can see. So I always like to do button side first. Pops right in there. And first impressions, wow, this feels really good. Yeah, and this looks really good with the blue too. I mean, it's, you know, contrasts really well. Let's see here. I can definitely tell that the oils in my hands are going to pick up very well in this case. It's already starting to at the bottom, but it looks really good. Wow. Okay. So buttons are good, very clicky. You have a nice cutout here for your actual lightning port and speakers. So I think that that's a good option for anyone who's worried about, you know, the port being obstructed or the speakers being obstructed. There is a loop here for maybe a lanyard or something if you wanted to do that. But yeah, nice cutout for your camera. It is protecting the camera lenses. There's a nice minimal lip on the display, so it will cover if you lay your phone face down, so you don't have to worry about that. Yeah, this is pretty good. So I'll leave these linked down below in the description, so if you want to check these out on the Nomad website, definitely do so. I do appreciate everyone who supports my channel through using my links in the description to purchase these items. It does help out the channel and helps me create more content. So thank you to those who support the channel that way. Let's check out the rustic brown now. This leather case is making me nervous. I feel like I'm about to get it dirty, but I mean, looking at the back of this box, it looks like it'll look great after 100 days, so who knows. Rustic brown is easily my favorite. It's such a nice looking color. So let's try this one out. Again, same material, exact same design. This is a black edge, so it's not an off-white edge, so you do have some nice grip and color here. You don't have to worry too much about it, you know, getting dirty. Let's see. Yeah, everything's pretty much identical. Only the difference is the color. So you're getting a nice rustic brown. I mean, just look at this. That just looks great. You can see the texture. And this black and brown, excuse me, this brown and blue, dare I say, looks better. Wow. That's pretty good. Well guys, this has just been a quick unboxing review, first impressions. I don't know what you want to call it. I use Nomad cases on several of my phones before in the past. This is no different. I do want to let you guys know that this is not MagSafe compatible, so if you are expecting to use this with MagSafe chargers, do understand that it will attach but not as strong. So if you're going to use this on like a car mount or anything where you're trying to hold it on, I wouldn't trust it. But MagSafe does work through this. It's just not going to stick as hard as a MagSafe case. Nomad is working on MagSafe compatible cases like this, so stay tuned to their website for updates on that. In the meantime, if you don't really care about MagSafe, it's still a great option. Highly recommended. Well guys, if you guys have any questions, definitely let me know down below. As usual, I will catch you in my next one. Stay up.